So for practice problem 1, they only gave you 2 angles. So you only have one place to start, but we're going to number the angles. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1. So the 2 angles they gave us are different. They don't equal each other. That means they're supplementary. That means the only equation that you could write is the long one. So we're going to add them together. 6x plus 4 plus 2x minus 16 equals 180. So that's the only equation that works for this one. On the next page, it says, did you have multiple entry points? No. There were only 2 angles given. So there's only 1 entry point. That means there's only 1 place to start. Don't skip this question. Make sure you write out the answer. There's only 1 entry point. So you're going to do the same thing for the next practice problem. Make sure you answer the word problem on the next page.